Hi, here it is, the middle of August 2022, and what we're going to do is have a go at running our John Deere 2320 tractor and run it with two sweepers. This is something I've not tried before. So what we had is, I had an old original sweeper here, and the wheels had actually gone bad on it and locked up. Okay, as you can see here, the wheels will have this little plastic gear cog that goes all the way around. They're driven by a metal gear inside the sweeper, and this one looks like it had locked up and had just ground these teeth away here, but this other one had just worn all the way around on the outside. So I was in a situation where I had to replace the wheels on this lawn sweeper. Now the sweepers, you know, they're quality sweepers. They're about, you know, depending where you're at, they're anywhere between $300 and $500. I got mine from Tractor Supply. They did a really great job on me. They had one in stock. Home Depot had one in stock also, but Home Depot's price was like $160 less. So Tractor Supply, thank God, who's closer to me, was able to match price. So my old one here, I went ahead and I've since replaced the wheels on that, and they're brand new wheels. But in the meantime, I got the new one from Tractor Supply, and I can see there's a couple differences between them straight away. Number one, the hinging gear is a little bit different. Like right here, you can see that there's a hinge that, you know, for emptying, there's like a spring involved here. Like right here, you've got a spring, where the new ones do not have a spring. And I know I don't have this set up right, but it's just not as nice. The other thing I've noticed with the older one, we had this baffle plate down here. It's about maybe 3 inches tall. On the new ones, and this is the exact same model, Agrifab 44-inch. This one might be, you know, maybe an inch in height. So those are some of the differences that I've seen. So with that, let's go ahead and give it a go. Now, what I do is I sweep my lawn and I sweep my neighbor's lawn, Elizar's, and it takes quite a while to do. We've got, you know, pretty big size yards. I've got maybe half acre. He's got maybe an acre, acre and a half. And I thought, well, now that I have two sweepers, let me go ahead and see if I can configure the tractor to pull two sweepers at a time. So I've got this 3-point hitch here with this apparatus down here, which I've just drilled 2 more holes in and have hooked up my Agrifab sweepers. I noticed they had this sliding bar in here, and I thought, well, hey, that I ought to be able to do this. And I've done a little bit of sweeping so far, and you can see more or less they work in parallel or tandem like this. So let's see how they do. know, these look like they can be configured to, you know, hook 2 up at a time. So what I've done is I've hooked both of them up to my 3-point bar here that you know, are sort of offset maybe about 1.5 feet there or so. And of course the tractor is you know, strong enough to pull it. It's a John Deere 2320. And what I've done is I've gone around the yard. Now Elizar there is just mowed fresh grass, and I can see that it's already working well. I mean, each sweeper is picking up the wet grass just fine in an equal amount.
Yeah, it
So,
picks it up half the time.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. All right.
That's good. I can edit the rest.
I
Put
tell
something
you,
together.
that's it.
That's it. Yeah, it's fast.